Are you tired of manually resizing your posts for each platform? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to auto-resize posts for every platform, saving you tons of time and frustration. Stay tuned because I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of my channel. The first thing you'll need is a reliable tool that can automatically resize your images, videos, and posts for all the major platforms, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Pinterest. Sure, there are a ton of options out there, but after trying the most popular ones, I've found that one software stands out. In fact, you'll want to stick around until the end of the video because I'll tell you how you can access an exclusive free trial of this software and follow along step by step. The key here is automation. Instead of manually adjusting each post to meet the requirements for every platform, this software can resize everything for you in a click. You simply upload your content and the software does all the work, adjusting your posts to fit each platform's specifications, whether that's the aspect ratio, image size, or format. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, and business owners who need to streamline their posting process. So how do you get started? First, you'll need to upload your original content, whether it's an image, a video, or even a carousel post. Just drag and drop it into the software. Once uploaded, choose which platforms you want to resize for. You can select multiple platforms at once, which is a huge time saver. The software will automatically generate optimized sizes for each platform. Now, here's where it gets even better. The software allows you to tweak your content before posting. You can adjust the crop, zoom in on specific areas, or add text overlays. Everything stays perfectly proportioned for each platform. No more worrying about whether your text is cut off on Instagram or your image looks awkward on Twitter. Once you're happy with the results, you can either download each post individually or schedule them directly to your social media accounts. And that's it. The software does all the resizing work for you, freeing up your time to focus on the creative side of things. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you want to follow along and try this out for yourself, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: you don't have to spend hours resizing posts for every platform. By using the right software, you can auto-resize posts for every platform with just a few clicks, saving time and ensuring your posts look great everywhere. Upload your content, select your platforms, tweak it if needed, and post. That's the efficient way to manage your social media posts. To quickly recap, we've shown you how to upload content, automatically resize for multiple platforms, make quick adjustments, and schedule posts. And don't forget, you can try out this software with an exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that link for the free trial and get started today.